Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Entrata Tutorial Entrata Property Management Software. So first, on getting started with Entrata, first log in by visiting entrata.com and clicking on Sign In or Log In. Use your assigned username and password. Next, on understanding the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard with key modules like Dashboard Overview for quick stats about properties, payments, and tasks. Next is Navigation menu for residents, leasing, accounting, maintenance, report, etc. And lastly, Notifications and tasks for action items like lease renewals, maintenance requests, and follow-ups. Next, on managing properties and units. To view property details, go to Properties, select your property from the list, and then view units, occupancy status, floor plans, and pricing. To add or edit units, update unit details such as pricing, availability dates, and amenities. Link units to availability for leasing. And lastly, update property settings to manage pet policies, parking, amenities, and fees. Now on leasing management. Entrata has built-in leasing workflows to simplify the process. First, to manage applications. First, go to Leasing, then Applications. Review incoming application, run credit and background checks directly in Entrata, and then approve or decline applications with automated notifications. Now, to create and send leases, after approval, click Create Lease. Use templated lease agreements, send leases for electronic signature via Entrata, then track renewals. Use Lease Renewal tool to automate reminders. Send renewal offers and track responses. Now on resident management. On viewing resident profiles, first go to Residents, then click on Any Resident to view. You can see here lease details, payment history, maintenance requests, and communication logs. Now on communication tools, you can send emails, texts, or notices directly through Entrata. Use automated messages for late payments, renewals, or community updates. Now on accounting and payments, Entrata include full accounting features. For post-rent payments, go to Accounting, then Payments. It records payments by check, cash, or online transaction. Auto-apply late fees as needed. On reconcile accounts, use bank reconciliation tools, track income, expenses, and deposits in real time. Now, to generate financial reports, first go to Reports, then Accounting, and then download balance sheets, income statements, and transaction summaries. Now on maintenance management. First, submit and track work orders. Go to Maintenance, view incoming maintenance requests, assign vendors or internal teams, then track status into new, in progress, or completed. To preventive maintenance, set recurring maintenance schedules, track vendors' performance and costs. On reporting and analytics, go to Reports, choose from Leasing, Financial, Maintenance, or Occupancy reports, customize filters, and export as PDF or Excel. Now to monitor KPIs, occupancy rates, renewal rates, delinquency trends, and leasing velocity. Now on automation and integrations. Integrate with payment processors, utility billing, marketing platforms, and resident screening tools. Automate notifications and recurring tasks to save time. And that's basically it.